Deika, 5 ancient mechanical animal forms, found in 5 separate oceans, restored separately.
Detected. Structural integrity 60%.
Significant energy decay. Optical sensors dark.
Initiating analysis.
Deep sedation phase.
Pacific convoy, status steady. Atlantic convoy, stable ascension. Arctic convoy moving through silt. Indian tank.
Proceed to designated base, Magna Lion.
Ensure stabilization, Storm Eagle.
Monitoring gravitational pull, Iron Bear. Status of the Magna Lion.
No power, sensors dark.
Analyze residue on Storm Eagle wings. Iron Bear frozen.
Confirm Shadow Wolf contamination.
Blaze Tiger obscured. Analyzing. Energy patterns remain anomalous. Initiating restoration protocols.
Coordination confirmed.
Analyzing structural fractures, significant sediment infiltration.
Corrosion levels are critical.
Pulse detected at chest core, consistent with other forms.
Analyzing trace energy.
Synchronized with Magna Lion frequency.
Confirming dormant state in both. Bay 4 confirming trace energy signature.
Bay 5 confirming trace energy signature.
Signatures.
The synchronized energy pattern is stable and confirmed. Full restoration authorized. Solarium applied. Molecular bond confirmed. Fracture sealed.
Activation sequence confirmed. Simultaneous energy pathway stimulation initiated. All units, prepare for peak energy calibration. Status green.
All 5 networks fully illuminated and communicating.
Bidirectional energy patterns confirmed. Authorization granted.
Commencing full activation sequence. Status of all 5 bays confirmed. Initiating power-up of Magna Lion's.
Status update on all 5 forms. Magna Lion, reporting. Storm Eagle, online. Iron Bear, operational.
Diagnostic complete. All forms operational at specifications. Initiating synchronization.
The Magna Lion is ready.
Initiate electric silver sensors.
Deep red, now. Pale blue engaged.
Activate orange flame.
Halt! Code Delta 9. Command not recognized. Force halt protocol initiated. Cannot stop. Titan Colossus stands.
It has breached the chamber.
All units, prepare for stabilization. The movement begins. Factory shaking. Stabilize the form. Status, stabilize. Initiating visual lock.